Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create American Express virtual pay account in GCash. In order to do this, you first have to launch your GCash mobile application, and then you need to provide your phone number and your password, and you simply need to log in into your account. Now once you've successfully logged in, you need to tap on the profile tab in the bottom right hand corner, and then among the given options you need to select my linked accounts option. Afterwards, you need to tap on the American Express virtual pay option, and then you need to enter your email address and wait for an SMS to confirm your registration. If you are an existing Amex virtual pay holder, then instead of tapping on American Express virtual pay, you need to tap on get new code option. Then you need to tap on the save in order to save the changes and take note of your new code to continue using Amex virtual pay. Now once you have successfully created your American Express virtual pay account in GCash, you can click on this link in order to manage or use your Amex virtual pay card for your payments. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.